In this video, I will walk you through on how to deal with your widgets. Now basically widgets can be found on your blog's sidebar. Now for example, let's go back to the website, the blog. You can see on the right hand side over here, there is a about section and archives, categories, text, pages. So basically there are links on the right hand side. So all these are the widgets. So you will want to know how to deal or how to create these widgets according to your own preference, and also place all your links, your necessary links which you want to be placed over here. So in order for you to do that, in the admin section of your WordPress blog, click on presentation tab and then click on widgets. Now you will be presented with a page which you are looking right now, and as you can see over here on the left hand side, it says this is the default sidebar. So currently the default sidebar is what you have just seen just now on the blog. Okay, all the widgets the common widgets are being placed. So now if you want to place your widgets, you can just click on any of the links over here. Okay, you can drag the boxes into this box. So for example, if let's say I drag this page about box over here, and I drag it using my left click mouse and place it here, and then I click on the save changes button. Now the block will be updated. So let's refresh. Okay, you can see here only the about button appears, or the about section appears over here on the widget, and the rest have been deleted. So you can work on your sidebar by using this option over here. Now let's bring this back. Now scroll down again, and you can see over here categories widgets. Basically these categories widgets are the number of categories which you have specified on your WordPress blog. Okay, let's say I click on save changes and go back to my blog. Okay, these categories you can see over here. Your blog categories, basically you will specify this in the other part of the admin area, which I will show you later part of the video. But as an example, let's go back to my blog, my own blog. You can see this is category section. I have case studies, general, personal diary. These are basically subtopics or topics which you want to talk on your blog, which you want to write about on your blog. So you can specify these categories in your admin area, the WordPress admin area. So if you need to have one section over here, you'll just need to specify, or you just need to specify it as one over here, one category. Okay, and then when you specify as one, then the category block, sorry, not this block, okay, over here, then the category box will only appear once. You can see here category 1, and there isn't any other category box. So now let's say if I have text widgets, you can see text widgets basically are all those text. Now look, let's go back to my blog, my own blog, and scroll down. You can see over here all these are text widgets, my websites. I have links to all my websites, and this image can also be used by can also be placed by using the text widget. And this is another example, text widget. All these are the text. That means it's just in text and normal words. So let's say I will want to specify more than one. Okay, so I'll just choose, let's say if I have 4, and I click save. Let's scroll down. You can see there are 4 text boxes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now let's proceed on dealing with text widgets. Now let's see if I want to customize this text widget. I'll drag this, left click on my mouse, do not release, drag this to this box over here, and then I click save changes, and let's see, these widgets will be removed. There you go. There isn't anything over here because I have not placed or have not written any content in it. So in order for me to write or to insert a content to the text widget, click on this image. You can see here a square image, square icon here. Click once and you'll see a box appears. So this will be the place where you will put in the content. And over here is the title, if you want any title to appear. So for example, if I just type in an example text title over here, and then right here you will type in your content. Now to play around with this, I will recommend that you open your own HTML editor. For example, like using Dreamweaver or FrontPage, or you can also get any free HTML editors which you can search on the internet and you can get it for free. Now I will work on FrontPage. Okay, so I will work on the text that I want it to be placed over here, because I will want to create some links, and I will also want to arrange all these text links properly. So I will prefer to use a HTML HTML editor to do this, because you will get the code from here. So for example, if let's say I want to create a link bullets, for example, just say my website link number 1, enter, website link number 2, website link number 3, website link number 4, for example. Then let's say each of these links will have their own URL, so I will put all the URL. I'll insert a URL. Sorry. For example, this is the URL. Okay, and I'll click OK. Let's do the second one. And the fourth one. Okay, once I have this ready, I will go to the code view or the split code, and you can see this is the full code. So I will select all these. Okay, you can see here, right click and copy, and then let's go back to the WordPress admin area over here, and I'll paste it over here. Once I'm done, I click on this close button, and let's click on the save changes button. There you go, the sidebar has been updated. Let's refresh. There you go, the widget has appeared. So this is an example of a text widget, and the website link is over here. Okay, now similarly with a text widget, you can also insert an image. Let's say if you have a image button which you want to place it over here, the widget section. Same thing, let's go back to front page, and I will remove all this. Okay, first of all, you need to have your image ready on a server. on the internet live. So for example, I have my own image which I have it on this location here. You can see I already have this on my server. So I will want to link this image onto my blog on the text widget. So first of all, I need to get the link. So again, the easy way is to get the code from using a HTML editor. So I will insert a picture from the file. Okay, let's find, this is the link. Okay, now I need to point it to the full server path, full URL. Okay. Next, I want the image to appear in the center. So I will make this in the center. Secondly, I will also want to link this image to my affiliate link, for example, okay, or to your own product. So I will again do the same thing for the text link which I've done just now. Just insert a hyperlink. For example, let's say this is the link, just an example. And if I want the link to open in a new window, I will click on this target frame and choose a new window and click on OK and click on OK. So once I've finished this, so let's go back to the code area and get the proper code. So it starts from here. You can see the P tag right until end over here. So I'll just click on my shift button on my keyboard and click on my mouse. And once I have the code selected, I'll copy this code, right click, copy. And let's go back to the widgets bar. Now let's drag another text 2. Okay, I'll click on this image or icon here. As you can see, it appears over here. So I just paste the code over here, right click and paste. And if you have any title, just put it here. For example, banner dashboard. You can also not have any title, it's up to you. Click on the close tag and click on save changes. Okay, it has been done. Let's refresh. There you go. You can see this is the title and the image has been placed right in the middle with the link. So if I click on the link, it will open a new tab or new window. Okay, so that is how you deal or work with a text widget. Now you can actually arrange this. Let's say if you want the image to appear on top, then you can just drag this and put it on top. Click save changes, and you can see that you will see that the banner image will be on top. There you go. So do the same thing for the rest of the widgets. Let's see if you want, you need to click or you need to put in more. Put it about, archives. If you want a calendar, you want the categories, just place everything. You want the pages, so you can arrange where you want them to be placed. Let's say the pages you want to be the first on top, just drag it on top. And if you want the about button to be on the second position, just place it over here, just drag it. Okay, so that's how you deal. Once you are done, just click on save changes, and now our blog will be full of widgets on the right hand side. And there you go, you can see the pages, about, banner dashboard, example, textile, archives, a calendar, and so on. Okay, so that's all for this part of this tutorial, and thank you for watching.